Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can easily save short YouTube videos to your playlist. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under this video. Also write your comments and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get to our topic. Now, when you open up the YouTube app, you can easily go to the short videos or shorts section. Now friends, in order to save any of your favorite videos to a playlist, you're gonna have to click on the three dots at the top, then Save to Playlist. And now friends, you can either, if you already have playlists, save that video to one of those playlists. Choose one of your existing playlists, or you can click New Playlist. And then you have to name the playlist. Next, click Create. So friends, as you can see, you're creating a playlist where you're going to add videos. And further, if you swipe and add some videos to the playlist, that playlist will already exist. You can mark it and click Ready. So the videos will be added to your playlist. This is how very simple and quick you can save shorts or short YouTube videos to your playlist. I really hope this video helped you and was useful to you. Please put your likes, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to write comments, and see you soon.